the gym now. I am going to be doing a leg day, but I won't be recording in the gym because I'm literally just doing the same workout that I did in my recent video that I just posted. Oh, there's a car there. Of my recent video that I just posted of like staying fit for surfing out of the water. So if you would like to take a little sneak peek into what I do at the gym, I will leave the link to that video in the description and you can go have a look there. So I'm just here to tell you that at this part of my day I am off to the gym. We are back home from a gym session and it's time to make some lunch. So what I am making is chicken, rice and onion with a little bit of like a tomato pasta sauce kind of thing. So this is just a little bit of tomato to add some freshness. Chicken's done. And now we're going to cut that out and put it in the mince. We're going to cut this out and put it in the rice. Starting off today, I did go for a surf. Okay, we are done surfing and time to get dressed. Done surfing! It was cuck. I did not have fun. I was struggling. This whole week literally feels like I have zero clue of how to surf. So that's fantastic. And now I am on a trail walk with my puppy. Boo boo, come here. Come. How are you doing? Walk. My puppy, giving my puppy some exercise. Hey, slowly, girl. now going to an appointment to get laser done. There's like such extreme traffic. Oh my gosh, like one highway going that way is closed due to a crazy accident. Another one highway going that way is closed due to extreme accidents. Like, oh, well, I don't even know if that one is an accident. But yeah, I'm here for my appointment. And obviously I didn't show in the room and the treatment because it is in my bikini area, so that is I do not do these 510 routine skincare routine. I just need to make sure that I keep my skin very hydrated because I'm such an outdoorsy girl, and then also with surfing, like in the sun and the salt water can make your skin like a little bit dry. Like salt water honestly helps clear up my skin, but it does make it a bit dry. So I use this brand. It is a very nice, natural, like clean brand. Isn't tested on animals and has like natural ingredients. So yeah, it's very affordable as well. You just wash my face with the face cleanser, use the eye cream, and I let that soak in. And then while I get dressed, and then I use the face cream, so to not delay this whole process, I just use their face cream. And it's also like all their containers, like the only plastic that they use is like for the lids. So like the face cleansers, metal, the bottles, metal. So it's also like a little bit more eco-friendly, which is another score.
Mama says she's doing fine. Sawyer's climb